begin?
Okay, I'm Victor Ongero Kimwa at the polling station of Gusii Stadium, station number 3 in the River Church. So far, we have seen people turning up. We have received a good number of people who have voted, and actually, they are doing well, and we're expecting more voters to come in by the end of the day.
At what time did voting begin?
The voting started at exactly 6:01 in the morning, and the people were able to vote at that time, together with agents who were in at that time. And actually, we had a long queue, as by now it has been reduced.
It has been reduced.
Yes.
You have, is it the same? You have two streams, right?
Okay, this Gusii Stadium is our polling center, but we have 3 polling stations,
Okay.
which labeled it from 01, 02, and 03, which I'm leading.
Okay. Na sasa kwa hii polling station mlikuwa na namba ngapi ya wapiga kura ambao wako registered, na up to this time ni wangapi what percentage ambao wamejitokeza kupiga kura?
This station, it has 652 registered voters. And the other polling stations, like 01 has 653, 02 has 653. So our station here, number 3, has 652. And concerning the vote turnout, as we can see, a good number of people have voted. We are approximately